Hi everybody, I'm Gary and welcome to my Outdoors channel. This is a channel update to bring you up to speed on where I've been and what's coming up. This is December 2018 and I want to thank you for hanging in here with me and subscribing, giving me likes and comments. I do appreciate your comments as I get great ideas from you and I learn from you also. None of us knows it all. It has been a few months since I've published a video. 2018 has been a difficult season weather-wise, and it's rained a lot here in western Pennsylvania. It's hard to get out on the lake when it's raining. And I've dealt with a couple of health issues. However, things are doing well now, and I'm ready to get back up to speed again. So after the 2018 holiday season, I'll be publishing more videos again. I have some videos in progress and many more in the development stages of tips, tricks, projects, and much more. So thank you for hanging in here with me. And as I say in the anecdote from the Red Green Show, if the ladies don't find you handsome, at least they should find you handy. Happy holidays. Thank you.